Okay, hello everyone. Let's see this number 5 question of 2021 past question, waec. Okay, it says a man shares his property among his children as follows. This is the child's name and the percentage share. Represent the information in a pie chart. Quite easy. Okay, in a pie chart has to be in degrees, so we need to calculate each of these values in degrees. First of all, we need to know the total number of percentage. Okay, percentage share means 100%. Oh, that's beautiful. So that means that Anne's share for Anne is going to be 5 over 100 times 360. Okay, then for Afia's share is going to be 15 over 100 times 360. Okay, then for Kojo's share is going to be 10 over 100 times 360. Then for Nuno's share, this is going to be 45 over 100 times 360. Then for Akom's share, it's going to be 25 over 100 times 360. Okay, so let's do this. So the first one, 5 times 360 divided by 100. This is 18 degrees. Okay, the next one is 15 times 360 divided by 100. This is 54 degrees. Okay, the other one is 10 times 360 divided by 100. This is 36 degrees. The other one is 36 times, okay, this is 162 degrees. And why this one is 90 degrees. Okay, so this is it. Now to represent this in a pie chart, it may be wise for us to use your protractor. You draw a circle, okay, like this, and you can take your is that protractor? Okay, this is compass, right? You take your protractor and measure each of these angles. First of all, if you sum up all this angle, it's going to give you 360. So Acom is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is something like this. Okay, this is 90 degrees. 90 for Acom. Then the other one, 162 for Nano, which is quite bigger than 90. So it's going to be something like this. But I will advise you to use, this is 162 degrees. I will advise you to use Nuno, sorry. I advise you to use your protractor, okay? Then here we have 54, 18 and 36. So 54 should be almost up to 36. Then 18 and 36 should be something like this. Yeah. So this one here is 54 degrees. And this one here is 36 degrees, and this here is 18 degrees. Now if you use your compass and protractor, you're going to get a more decent drawing, but this is exactly how to go about this. Okay, very, very important. Now the next question says a box contains 5 red, 3 green and 4 blue identical beads. Calculate the probability that a girl takes away 2 red beads, one after the other, from the box. Okay, 2 red beads, one after the other. Now first of all, the total number of beads is 5 plus 3 plus 4, and that's going to be 12. Now the probability of picking a red bead is obviously 5 all over 12. Now, but the probability of picking 2 red beads, picking one then picking the other, well, picking one and picking the other does not look like replacement. It looks like without replacement. Okay, so the probability of picking the first red is 1 to 5 over 12. The probability of picking the second red is going to be 4 over 11, right? Because the first red has already been picking, so the total number is 11 and the total number of red remaining is 4. That's how to do that without, when you are not replacing. So nothing. Okay, I think 4 can divide there to be 3. So our answer is going to be 5 divided by 33. 5 over 33 as the answer to this question. Okay, thank you very much. See you in my next video.